So, guys, this was the day before the engagement day. This was the preparation day, and next we'll be going to the
So
engagement.
guys, we are going to do crimping of mine. दीदी की straightening हो चुकी है.
It's done.
It's done now.
Crimping
Crimping time.
crimping.
Yeah. So we got into our outfits. Let's start it. बहुत जल्दी करना है अब.
We are in so much hurry.
Ready? She too. चलो चलो.
Let's
just
go.
Start.
Here we are just getting our makeup done so that we can leave, and here we go. So we are now very excited to reach the venue. Next we'll show you the venue. So this is the grand venue, and we was in love with it. So here we were just going and checking what all things we have on the venue so that we can just click our pictures like everyone does. So we'll later on show you everything. So next we have our bride, Trapti. So she was looking so gorgeous. Oh my god. Her eyes were like, oh my god, she's looking like a princess. Look at her, guys. So here we are taking Trapti to the stage, and this is our small girls gang which is just carrying her like a princess. And now the good bride ceremony is going to begin. So in this ceremony what happens is we just decorate everything on the stage. Actually the ladke wale decorate everything on the stage, and we just go there and everyone give gifts, their blessings to the bride, to be bride. And this is the function which only the girl, the bride, is there, and they just enjoy. Now we have the clips from the engagement. This was the engagement thali, and this was gorgeous, as you can see. And then the engagement. It was the engagement time. So Trapti has already pinning the ring to the groom, and Jiju was like, oh, and we were like shouting, cheering, everything was going to happen, and we just loved it. And next, we love the way Jiju put the ring onto her hand. It was the true feeling of a princess. Look at that, guys. They are looking so beautiful together. This is a picture perfect moment. And this, everything was so, like, it was a dream come true for every one of us. We lived together, we grew together, we played together, and today we are seeing her getting into the wedding, like not the wedding outfit, but the ceremonies are getting started, and this was very beautiful for us. So we were like in awe moment.
हम बताएंगे आपको भाई ये देखिए बॉम्बे से हमारे बीच में है यामिनी जी और इन्होंने शुरुआत की है इनका कहना है कि ये फूल से भी आप शुरुआत कर सकते हैं सर प्लीज एक बार तालियां हो जाए दोनों के लिए
हार्दिक जी ज्यादा वक्त नहीं है वो डांस स्टार्ट गो टिक टिक 1 टिक टिक 2
You make
टिक 3
I love you रिजा
और इसका जवाब जो है मैं कंती जी से जानना चाहूंगी कि वो किस अंदाज में इसका लग रहा है
भाई पहले हमारे प्रिंस के लिए एक बच्चा सोचा कर हो जाए लोग एक घंटा लगाते हैं भाई ने 2 लगा दिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है आइए अब हमारी बिटिया रानी की बारी है सो प्लीज भाई डबल तालियां होनी चाहिए 2 हो चुका है
इसीलिए कहते हैं ये चीज
और मैं चाहूंगा आप लोग थकोगे प्लीज बैठ सकते हैं आप लोग प्लीज बैठ जाएं।
केक कटिंग हैज़ बीन स्टार्टेड और अब तृप्ति अपनी मम्मी जी को केक खिला रही है एंड जीजू अपने पापा जी को केक खिलाने जा रहे हैं। तो हम लोग इसको एंजॉय कर रहे थे। देन वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू एंजॉय अ लॉट एंड यू गाइस टू, सो लेट्स एंजॉय।